Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new topic, differential equations, in the subject of Pure Mathematics 3 in the class A levels. So concentrate yourself. Here are some concepts. Suppose y is equal to e raised to power x, and if we differentiate both sides, differential of y will be dy by dx, and differential of e raised to power x will be e raised to power x. And because e raised to power x is equal to y, so we can put is equal to y. So this is called a differential equation. Is called a differential equation. Some examples of differential equations are like this one. So this was the same equation, y comes to the left hand side, so it will become dy by dx minus y equal to 0. So this is a differential equation. Here is another differential equation, d2y over dx square plus dy by dx minus 2y equal to 0. Very important point, the order of differential equation is the highest order of derivative present in it. So if you look at this equation, the highest order of the derivative is first order, because this is first differential. So this will be called first order differential equation. So look now, first order differential equation. And in this equation, if you can see here, the maximum order is of the derivative is 2. So this is a second order differential equation. So this is the concept. Here are some questions that will make your concepts more clear. If y is equal to ax, show that dy by dx is equal to y by x. So look now, here is the solution. First part, that is given y is equal to ax. Okay, differentiating both sides. So differential of y will be dy by dx. And on the right hand side, this is the coefficient, this will remain as it is, and differential of x will be 1. So it means we are having a on the right hand side. So from this equation, if you can see, y is equal to ax, so a will be equal to y by x. So it means y by x is the value of a that can be placed here. So that is a y by x. So it means dy by dx is equal to y by x. That is proved. Okay, the second part will be solved in the same way. Y is equal to a square root x. So differentiating both sides, so dy by dx is equal to a is the coefficient. So power will come down, make 1 less from the power, and then the differential of the original value, that will be 1, because the differential of the x is 1. Okay, from here you can see it will become a over 2 square root x. So now taking the original equation, that is y is equal to a into square root x. So y is equal to a into square root x. So actually we want this factor. So what will come at the place of this? Because 1 by 2, we need 1 by 2. So y by x should become, okay, multiplying and dividing the right side with square root x. So look now, a, so numerator will become x, and in denominator there will be square root x. So we have multiplied numerator and denominator by square root x. Y is still there. Okay, so this x will come to the left side, so y by x will be equal to a over square root x. So you can see a over square root x is equal to y by x. So we are putting this value over here, so it will become y over 2x. So this is proved. The next topic which we are going to study in this topic is solving differential equations. And in solving differential equation, we are going to study separation of the variables. So look now, find the general solution for the following differential equation. So this kind of the question will be involved 3 steps. So concentrate yourself. The first step will be separate all the values involving y on the left side and all the values involving x to the right side. So y will be on the left side, x will be on the right side. Second step, integrate with respect to y on the left side and integrate with respect to x on the right side. And the third and last step will be express y in terms of x. So that will be the final step. So look here now. Now the statement is find the general solution for the following differential equations, and here are 4 parts. So we are going to solve them one by one. That will make your concepts more clear. The first part is dy by dx is equal to x. So the first step will be separate y on the left side and x on the right side. So this is the first step. Next step will be integrate with respect to y on the left side and integrate with respect to x on the right side. So here is one constant that is placed. So integral of 1 will be y. And on the right side, the integral of x will be x squared over 2. And plus c will be placed. So this is the answer. The second part is dy by dx is equal to y. So concentrate yourself in every part. There will be some concepts. So the first step will be separate y values on the left side and x values on the right side. Next step will be integrate with respect to y on the left and with respect to x on the right side. So this is 1 over y is, so natural log of y is the answer, and on the right hand side x plus c will be the answer on the right side. Okay, at this step, because the final step is express y in terms of x. So answer is there, but the final step is missing. Okay, let c is equal to natural log of a, because natural log is there. So that's why we have let this is equal to natural log of a. So the step will become natural log of y is equal to x plus natural log of a. So this will come to the left hand side. So natural log of y minus natural log of a will be equal to x. From here you can see natural log of y over a is equal to x. Okay, from this step y over a will be equal to e raised to power x. And from here y will be equal to a e raised to power x. So this is the answer, y in terms of x. Okay, the third part is dy by dx is equal to y by x. So concentrate yourself. So first separating y values on the left and x values on the right, and integrating with respect to y on the left side and with respect to x on the right side. So it will become natural log of y is equal to natural log of x plus c is there. At this step let, because we have to express y in terms of x in the very last step. So although this is the answer, but at the last step is missing because we have not expressed y in terms of x yet. So let this constant equal to natural log of a So C is equal to natural log of A. So that will become, equation will become now natural log of Y is equal to natural log of X plus natural log of A. So in the next step it will become natural log of AX, and then this equation will become Y is equal to AX. So this is the answer of the third part. Now the fourth and final part is dy by dx is equal to minus pi square over cos square x. Okay, first separating y values on the left side, so it will become dy. This will become come to the denominator, and in the numerator it will go like y raised to power minus 2, and on the right hand side will be there 1 over cos square x into dx. Okay, separating y values on the left side and x values on the right hand side, this step is done. Now the next step will be integrating with respect to y on the left side and integrating with respect to x on the right side. So integral of this one, add 1 into the power x dividing with the same, and on the right hand side this minus sign come out, so it will become secant square x dx. Sign of integration is still there. The minus sign will be cancelled on both sides, so on the left hand side it will become 1 over y, and on the right hand side the integral of secant square is 10x, and plus c is still there. So expressing y in terms of x will be equal to y is equal to 1 over 10x plus c. So this is the answer. The next thing that we are going to read in the topic of differential equation is partial solution. So concentrate yourself. This kind of equations will be there in the partial solutions. Statement is find the solution of the following differential equations. First part is this one, dy by dx is equal to x cubed over y square, given that y is equal to 3 when x is equal to 2. So this will be the difference in the in this kind of question, and the previous type was some values like x value and y value will be there, and you will be required to find the solution. So look now, when we will solve it, your concepts will be more clear. So dy by dx is equal to x cube over y square. So the steps will be same. We will follow these same 3 steps, separating values of y on left side and of x on right side. Then next step will be integrating with respect to y on left side and integrating x with respect to x on the right side. So look now, y cube over 3 will be equal to x 4 over 4, and this c is placed. So now this is the turn of these two values will come. We have to put these two values into the equation to find the value of the c. So look now, y3 and x2. So when y is 3, so it will become 27 over 3, and x is equal to 2, so it will become 16 over 4, and plus c is still there. So 4 4s are, and 3 9s are. So 9 minus 4 will be equal to c, that is 5. So now putting this value of c into this equation, so y cube over 3 is equal to x 4 over 4 is 5. Right side will become x4 plus 20, because the last step is express y in terms of x. So that is the must step. If you left the question incomplete, full marks will not be awarded to you. So you have to complete the question. The last step is express y in terms of x. So from here, this 3 will go to the right side, and y cube will be equal to 3x4 plus 60 over 4, taking cube roots or root of both sides. So 3x4 plus 60 over 4 cube root. So this is the last step, y in terms of x. So this is the answer. And here is the second part. So likewise we will separate values of y on the left side. So question will become dy by y is equal to dx over x square minus 1. So first step is separating y values on the left side and x values on the right side. The next step will be integrating both sides, left side with respect to y, and integrate right side with respect to x. So on the right hand side you can see the denominator can be written in x minus 1 into x plus 1 form, because there are two squares between them minus, so x minus 1 into x plus 1. So concentrate now. First we will solve this value, that is, look now, 1 over x minus 1 into x plus 1. So that will be equal to a over x minus 1 plus b over x plus 1. Okay. On the right hand side we will take the LCM, that will be equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. So a into x plus 1 plus b into x minus 1. Okay, from here both sides denominator will be cancelled. On the left hand side will be 1, and on the right hand side, okay, put at the same time. So x is equal to minus 1. So look now, there will be two steps at the same time that will be done. Denominator will be cancelled on both sides, and putting x is equal to minus 1 will make this factor full 0, because when minus 1 will be placed here, minus 1 plus 1 will be 0, so this factor will be 0. So look now, the step will become 1 is equal to, so when minus 1 will be placed here, so it will become minus 2b. And from here, b will be equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now, put x is equal to 1. Because putting x is equal to 1 will make this factor 0. So denominators will be cancelled. So 1 will be equal to, when 1 will be placed here, it will become 2a. And a will be equal to 1 by 2. So putting values here, so this will become 1 over x minus 1 into x plus 1 equal to, a's value is 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 into x minus 1 and plus minus, so plus minus will become minus, so minus 1 over 2 2 into x plus 1. So we have placed the values of a and b into this equation, and this is actually here. So this factor will be put here. So on the left hand side now is dy by y sine of integration, and on the right hand side we are having 1 over 2 into x minus 1 minus 1 by 2 into x plus 1 into dx. So left hand side integral will be natural log of y. On the right hand side it will be equal to 1 by 2 natural log of x minus 1, because its differential is there in the numerator, so that's why natural log of x minus 1. Likewise here is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2, so minus 1 by 2, and this will be natural log of x plus 1, because the differential of this value is there in the numerator, so that's why natural log of x plus 1, this minus 1 by 2 is still there, and plus c will be placed. Okay, at this step you have to put these two values to find the value of c. So y is equal to 1, so natural log of 1 is equal 1 by 2 into natural log of x is 2, so it will 2 minus 1 will be 1, minus 1 by 2 is still there, and natural log of x is 2, so it will become 3, and plus c is still there. So natural log of 1 is 0, this natural log of 1 is 0, so c will be equal to 1 by 2 natural log of 3. So putting this value of c into the equation, so look now, natural log of y is equal to, this power will come into the power, this value will come into the power of x minus 1, so it will become natural log of x minus 1 square root. Okay, likewise this 1 by 2 will come into the power of the x plus 1, so it will become minus natural log of x plus 1 square root. And likewise c is this one, so this power will come into this value will come into the power of the 3, so natural log of square root 3, and because c is plus, so plus natural log of square root 3. Okay, these two logs are adding with each other, and this is subtracting, so the step will be natural log of square root 3. These two values will be multiplied, so square root 3 into x minus 1 square root divided by, and this is subtracting, so that's why it will come into the denominator, so x plus 1 square root. Okay, the next step will be y will be equal to square root 3 into x minus 1 square root over x plus 1 square root. So this is the answer.